You might be in a position where you want to go ahead and find TikTok videos you have already seen. This process is very simple and doesn't require much effort. It can be done with any device, be it an Android or an iPhone. There is only one way to get TikTok videos you have already seen. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. First, make sure that the app has been updated to the last version, because the older version of the app may not have some options. To update your app to the last version, you need to find an App Store or Play Store. If you have found the App Store, means your device on iOS system. If you have found the app Play Store, means your device on the Android system. Now open these apps. On the Android system, tap on profile icon at the top right corner. Then I prepare for you example what we need to do. You just tap on App Store and Game, as you can see like on this screenshot. And then you will see all available updates for your device at the moment. And you just tap on Update here one by one, or update all your available updates for your device. On the iOS system, go all the way App Store. Tap on Profile at the top right corner here. You should press and hold on any space of the screen and swipe from top to down, like I. As you can see, we reload this page. Just tap on Update All. So let's jump right in. Open up TikTok app, log into your account. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on Profile. Then we should open Main menu. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on three lines. Then proceed to Settings and Privacy, last option of Main menu. Then from Settings and Privacy, scroll down and find Watch History. Then proceed to Watch History, and you will be able to see all your videos that you already have watched. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.